Meaning of deaf.
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 Deaf. Deaf is a keyword in Python that is used to define a function. When def is used, the following statement defines a block of code that can be executed whenever the function is called. Functions take input arguments and return output values, making them reusable blocks of code that can simplify complex programs and reduce redundancy. Proper use of functions can make code easier to read and maintain, as well as more efficient and less error-prone. Therefore, understanding and using def is crucial for programming in Python.